Excuse me? Oh.
Still alive. Yeah, you're getting cold as shit. I'm surprised you didn't like run into a building or something. But I fell asleep. You know, I got my head down. That's when I started thinking something. I was really cold at that point. Yeah. I'm getting indoors, right? And it's anyway, so I saw a cop outside the building here. I'm like, hey, can you get me in the arena? My whole face was deep red and my lips were like, it's like, dude, you bad. And I'm like, no, I'm good. Like, it's okay. Well, I did say that. I'm like, dude, I'm pretty messed up. I'm just trying to get back in this mood so I can go to sleep. And he's like, no, you gotta wait for the security guard or whatever. I finally just found that. I couldn't find that, but been walking for like half an hour. That's what kept you alive, was just walking around. Yeah. And then there were vents on the side of the building over here, and that shoot out hot air. And I'm like, oh. I was just standing there. For like 10 or 15 minutes. Like, oh, that's so good. I can't believe, like when did I disappear? Was that I don't know. I couldn't give you a time. I don't even. I thought you were with us. I didn't know. Like I was that fucked up. Like we were missing people at the party, and I didn't even know it. Yeah, but we did not have like we were not a person there for most of that stuff. So like nobody was keeping tabs. Yeah. Nobody was keeping tabs on me, but that's because I got that. It's like it's quiet. Oh, we're good though. Yeah, I mean, the guy was cool about it. Like I'm walking down the restroom, and he's got a bottle of water. He's like, yo, you gotta go. I'm like, thanks. Then he let me sit at the bar, so he drink water, like another 15 or 20. He was chill about it. I think he just wanted to make sure that like I had a babysitter. That's really what it was. Story now. That's a good one. You've been properly initiated. You've been getting close to me. Yeah, you've been properly initiated. You're one of us now. I don't. Well, I guess it comes over to here. Like if I play with the retro guns all the time. Oh, you have the retro guns? It happens on the show, it stays with the show, so you want to buy it. I was a retro, like, what is it? Where is it? It's 2000. Yeah, I don't know. No, that's shit. I have a trash can, by the way, on next to this rack. Custom created. I used to steal a trash can recently. Is that where all the racks are really good? What's that? Is that where the racks are really good?
No, I set up monitors. Like there are some weeks where it'd be like it would be like this, but then like just enough room for you to stand and then like the content was running.